We have to find the sum 4 plus 7 plus 10, that's plus 28. We know that these terms 4, 7, 10 and so on to 28, they are terms of arithmetic progression. So we know that the sum of arithmetic progression of n terms is first term plus last term over 2 times number of terms. What we have given here? We have given first term a1 is equal 4. We have given the last term an is equal 28. We don't have the n number of terms. How we find the n? We will use the formula for the n term of arithmetic progression. This is a1 plus n minus 1 times d. We have given a1, we have given an is 28. We can calculate d, so only n will be unknown in this equation. How we found the d? D is the constant in arithmetic progression. It's the number which we add to the first term to form the second, and to second we add this constant to form the third. To third we add this constant number to have the fourth term. So to find the d, the common difference d, name the common difference, we have to choose two consecutive terms. For example, a1, this is a1, and a2, a3. So we can choose a1 and a2 or a2 and a3. Let me rewrite this. A and subtract first one from the second. So from a2 we subtract a1, or from a3 we subtract a2. We have to choose two consecutive terms, and we will, when we subtract them, we will have this constant number. This d, in other words, we call common difference. So let's choose a2 and a1. So it will be 7 minus 4. This is equal 3. So we have d. So we can go to this equation and substitute whatever we have, and we will find the n. an is 28. a1 is 4. Plus n minus 1 we copy, and the d we found is 3. So now I will move 4 to the left side, so it will be 28 minus 4 is equal n minus 1 times 3. 28 minus 4, so it will be 24 is equal n minus 1 times 3. We need to find the n. N is inside parentheses. So first we have to get rid of this 3. I will divide both sides by 3. So 3 and 3 we can reduce. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So we have 8 is equal n minus 1. Now I will move 1, negative 1 to the left side, so we have 8 plus 1 is equal n. So we can write that n is equal 9. We have n, so now we can come back to our formula for sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. In our example, n is 9. So we have S9 is equal a1 plus a, n is 9, so a9 over 2 times 9. So this is equal a1 is 4 plus a9, n is 9, is 28 over 2 times 9. So this is equal 28 plus 4 is 32 over 2 times 9. So 32 divided by 2 is 16 times 9. So this is equal 144. We found the sum of these terms from 4 to 28. Arithmetic progression. Which for arithmetic progression? This is my solution.